This is Keshav. Journal entry number 1, date 5 June 2020, time 8 pm Indian Standard Time. Some personal declarations to keep my sanity in check, and as a reminder that it is okay to sound bad. You will improve. So, first in the sequence is that all the decisions taken here are interpretations according to my current skill level, which includes the volume level, stereo imaging, and overall feel and vision. Artists and musicians were consulted and present during mixing only when exclusively mentioned, and original release mix were used as reference when available. The next point, equipment used in mixing attempts and original compositions were what available and used in the current listening and monitoring setup. Right now, the listening and monitoring environment consists of an AKG MK2 and a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It may change as I upgrade my setup. A tiny but very important conclusion I would like to present after using AKG MK2 for a long time is that exact panning positions are a little difficult to pinpoint using it. In other simpler words, it has some panning position presentation problems. I use a consumer grade AKG Y20 earbuds as another tool to check out the positions, but since MK2 is the only professional grade monitoring equipment I have, I am using primarily only this. Now, no matter the skill level or conditions, the mix result will not sound the same as the release. I can say this confidently because even if someone copy the exact same steps, even in digital realm, mix will sound different because of the gear diversity, the plugin processing calculations at that time, the changes inflicted on the final audio export by your DAW or software. Several discussed ideas in the process could be wrong or vague or may rush with little or no explanation, but those decisions will show result no matter how good or bad. Getting the result here is important. It is just utmost necessary to do it to get out of my shell. All the wrong, vague decisions I will become aware of later will act as steps in the ladder towards better mixing next time. Another very important thing, more like permission, which enables me to do this is that all the multitracks for the mix attempts are available either in the public domain or I have exclusive permission from the artist to use them and that for educational purpose only. I will use them only to personally practice mixing. No money will ever be involved using them. The last thing, to have fun doing this. The methods will change. The main aim here is to do the right things as neatly as possible and look further to do and learn more. All the audio will be exported in lossless broadcast wave in the bit depth and sample rate of raw files, and those exports will be transcoded to lossy OGG for those who have low bandwidth or disk space. Link will always be available for streaming and for download for critical listening and analysis purposes. This is the first entry. It marks the beginning of much more to come. The one and only purpose is to learn and keep a tangible log of the progress.